Hi everybody, I believe some people have received their fork by now. This fork has a few different installation methods and processes compared to the previous forks for the Sur-Ron Lite B, in order to provide a better user experience for our customers. Today I will present the installation method through a video tutorial. The method for installing this fork is basically the same as installing previous Emoto fork. After unboxing the fork, you can choose to cut or not cut the steerer tube according to your needs. If you don't cut the steerer tube, you will need to add a spacer. The lower triple clamp has 3 screws to ensure that the tightening force of each screw is uniform. First, use a regular wrench to tighten all 3 screws, but don't over-tighten, just make sure the triple clamp holds the fork tube securely. After tightening with the regular wrench, switch to a torque wrench set to a torque of 11 Nm. First, tighten the bottom screw to 11 Nm, then tighten the top screw. Next, tighten the middle screw, all set to 11 Nm. Then repeat. Keep tightening until the torque is evenly distributed. Once the average torque for each screw 11 Nm, you're done. The installation method for the upper and lower link plates is the same as tightening these screws. Due to the difference in the front wheel axle alignment, our front wheel axle is designed for a right-hand push alignment. This design, when installed correctly, will make the fork tube more parallel. This will also ensure a smoother ride. Incorrect installation may cause the inner fork tubes to bend inward or outward, which could lead to oil leakage. It could also cause stuttering or rough movements. In the following installation video, please make sure to follow this procedure carefully. After assembling the wheel, first, tighten the axle locking screw. Tighten it. To about 15 Nm. Tighten the 2 screws on the left fork leg. When the axle passes through the front wheel, do not tap it with a hammer. The torque value should also be around 11 Nm. The right fork leg should remain in a relaxed state. Do not tighten it yet. Keep it loose on this side. With the screws on the right fork leg not tightened, do not engage the front brake. Do not engage the rear brake either. Press down on the front fork. This will release any built-up stress. Once the above steps are completed, tighten the 2 screws on the right fork leg. The torque value should also be 11 Nm. Let me share a small detail with you. After completing all the steps, there will be a gap here. This gap is proof that the fork has been correctly installed according to the standard. It's a small detail, so make sure to pay attention to it. That is, the right side when you are sitting on the bike. This method applies to any inverted fork.